Today I will discuss about the ABO blood group system, RH factor and blood transfusion. Now before we start that, I have to tell a story behind the discovery of RH factor. What happened actually in 1940, some scientists doing research on the rhesus monkey. Actually from this rhesus monkey, the RH factor name came from the rhesus monkey. What they did, they took the RBC of rhesus monkey's body and put it into or inject into the small animal like rabbit or guinea pig body, and the antibody developed by the guinea pig or rabbit is then again injected to the blood of RBC of rhesus monkey, and it is found that this antibody is fully glutenated with or react with the RBC present or antigen present in the rhesus monkey. Is it clear? Now what happened later on, they did this antibody produced by the guinea pig again tested on the human being. These are the European population. Now they found that 85% of the human being are giving the same result as the rhesus monkey's antigen did the result to antibody of guinea pig. That means the 85% of the population is having reacted or fully glutenated with the antibody present in the guinea pig body, and 15% of the rest population does not react with this antibody. So they came into decision that the antigen present in the rhesus monkey's blood group, that is in rhesus monkey's RBC, is should be present over the 85% of human being, and this antigen should not be present over this kind of people, that means 15% of the rest of the population. So they call this 85% of the people that having RH antigen, and this kind of people having no RH antigen. Later on they call them RH positive people and RH negative people. This is the story of discovery behind the RH factor. Now in ABO blood group system, as we know, there is a four blood group, major four blood group, A, B, AB and O. There are number of blood group system, 100 blood group system, but ABO is the most important blood group system. And based on the RH factor, this ABO blood group system all are classified into further two categories, that is RH positive and RH negative. That means A blood group of people having RH positive factor and RH negative factor, same as rest of. So all together we found that there are 8 categories of blood group. Now look at this table. From this table it is showing that antigen and antibody present on which blood group system. Now antigen A is found in person having blood group A. Antigen B present in the person having B blood group, and antigen AB both are present in the AB blood group, RBC of AB blood group. And in case of O blood group, there is no antigen, neither A or not B is there. And antigen always present in the, remember it, in RBC, that is red blood cell. And in plasma there is antibody. In case of A blood group system, the antibody is B, present on the A blood group. In case of B blood group people, they have A antigen present in their plasma. In case of AB blood group people, they have no antibody in their plasma. And in case of O blood group people, they have both antibody present on their plasma. Clear? Based on this antigen and antibody, mainly blood transfusion is happened. And in Rh antigen, as I say earlier, that person having A positive means it has Rh antigen, and person having A negative means person does not have Rh antigen. Similarly, B positive have Rh antigen, B negative have no Rh antigen. AB positive have Rh antigen, AB negative have no Rh antigen, and O positive have Rh antigen, and O negative have no Rh antigen present on this RBC. Now, based on this antigen and antibody, blood transfusion is taking place. From this table, we can see that A positive blood group of people can donate blood to A positive and AB positive blood group of people, whereas A negative person can donate the blood to AB positive, AB negative, A positive, A negative. Clear? Similarly, B positive blood group of people can donate the blood to B positive and AB positive blood group of people only. But B negative blood group of people can donate the blood to B positive, B negative, AB positive and AB negative blood group of people. In case of AB positive blood group of people, AB positive blood group will donate the blood to only AB positive blood group of people. But AB negative blood group of people can donate the blood to AB negative and AB positive as well. And in case of O positive blood group, people can donate the blood to all the blood group having Rh positive factor. That means A positive, B positive, A positive and O positive. And in case of O negative blood group people, they can donate the blood to all the 8 categories of people having positive Rh factor and negative as well. So, from this chart, it is clear that O negative person can donate the blood to all the 8 categories. That's why O negative blood group is called universal donor, and AB positive blood group people will call universal recipient. Why? Look at here, AB positive blood group people can receive the blood from A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, and O positive and O negative blood group of people also. That's why AB blood group of positive blood group of people called universal recipient. Now, in my next video, I will discuss in the deeper behind the fundamental of antigen and antibody. Hope that it is clear up to you. Thank you.